This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to move photos and files into your secure folder on your Android or Samsung phone here. So to access your secure folder, you have one of these apps right here, or you can just go on down to the top and go to a secure folder right here on your Samsung phone. So I'm just going to hold down on this button. Now to get files and apps into here, you can go to the plus icon and you can just move your apps into here, or you can go to the download option for Google Play Store or the Galaxy Store. You can just go to it and then go to add, and it should add it right here. Now to get files in here and photos and videos, etc., you can go to the three little dots, go to add files. We got images, videos, audio, my files right here. So we can just go to image, tap it, and then go to done, and it will move it over here. We can decide if we want to move it or copy it. I'm just going to go to copy. Now we can look at this. If we go to the gallery on here, we should have that one photo on here that I just moved over. I believe we can move it out of here too, just as easy. So if we go to this, we can move album, move out of secure folder, and we can move it to a different location. Okay, so now it's out of there. It should be back where it was. So very easy to move things in and out of here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.